Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial, and today I will be talking about this tool called the Smudge Tool. Now as the name suggests, the Smudge Tool will help you to blend two different kinds of colors together. And this particular type of tool was used quite a lot, especially in digital paintings to blend two colors. Right. So I'm going to show you how. So for example, as you can see that I have this blank document opened up right here. So I'm just going to change my brush a little bit, right? And I'm going to change the color as well. So I'm going to make one red. And for example, I just painted right here. And then I'm going to choose a different color. Let's keep it orange, right? And I'm going to paint it again like here. Okay, so as you can see that I have these two swatches like I just roughly painted on my blank document right here, and as you can see that you can easily differentiate between these two colors because of the line right over here, right? It's not looking blended together, it does not look that it's a continuous flow, right? So to do that we'll be using the smudge tool. So coming right over here, this is the smudge tool over here, right? So with the smudge tool, you can actually just you can just move your brush around like this. And you can see that the colors are starting to blend together and it looks a lot better that way. Right? So the smudge tool over here, the effect will vary obviously because about the strength percentage right over here. So by default it came down to 43%, and of course the brush size is really small as well, it's about 50 pixels. So it's going to vary, but the effect is going to be more or less the same, but it will vary a little bit depending on the strength, as in the percentage right here, and of the brush size as well, right? So you can do the same thing over here with an image, right? So the effect is going to be the same with an image right over here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to bring the strength down a little bit. No, not the strength. I'm going to decrease the brush size a little bit. Let's say I'm going to bring it to 26, and very slightly you can see that I'm starting to smudge the background up a little bit like this, like that. Right, so if you want you can play around with the smudge tool and then you can smudge like certain edges around the image like this if you like. And you can see I'm able to smudge the hair a little bit like this. And then I'm able to create this kind of an effect on a hair as well, right? So this was the smudge tool. So as you can see, it's that easy to use the smudge tool and how you can actually use the same tool in an image and of course in a particular document where you have your illustrations made. That's it. So I have now covered the smudge tool and I hope you found this video to be useful, and that's it. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.